Welcome to Kochiva's Beginner's French Language Master Course. The aim of this course is to provide you with an elementary understanding of the language wherein you will be able to carry through everyday conversations and be able to understand questions and provide rapid answers. Assisted by C-level experts, this course offers an in-house curriculum, proper DELF preparation assistance as well as an LMS self-learning portal for you to learn unceasingly. Make the most of the small batches in a live and interactive setup while ensuring personalized attention. This course also assures placement assistance after the course's completion. Over 200 individuals have already enrolled in the course and are enjoying an activity-based learning experience which, by the way, is created separately and specifically for kids, teens, and adults, which includes students, working professionals, and retired professionals. So, the question has to be asked, what is stopping you from enrolling in this course? Click below and sign up for one of the best investments of your life.